Mexicans out here, bro. Why ain't nobody working? Yeah, why ain't nobody working? I mean, the sun is out. Man, it ain't nothing, bro. This one. Ask him why there's one work out here, bro. I don't care what they said was gonna rain. It's not raining, bro. Either get somebody out here, I'm gonna get somebody out here, bro. Simple as that. You. Hey, y'all saw them 2 charges that was in that car? In that rental. There was some charges that I had got from out there. I need a charge for my phone. I got like 3%. Me? What you doing? Breastfeeding? I was gonna lie, did you? Hey, girl. Hey, she sleep? Yeah, she knocked out. Huh? Well. Right there, I mean, she now why she sleep in the day and she kept me up all night. This was my first time she kept me up.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Last night I was fighting for my life.
Oh, here go my charger right here. That ain't my charger? So that ain't my charger.
That's not your charger, that's the one I keep in the bedroom. That's mine for my first phone. But you can use it though. You might as well take the whole thing so you can plug it up.
I'm finna go check on the houses back there, make sure they working.
I went on the driver's side. I'm coming when she come to the bedroom. I gotta see what else. I had to see this. You said the windows over there.
Yeah, they got the windows up. Yeah. think they supposed to be working on it now, so I'm finna go check on that. Whoa. Them was the charge that was in the back of the car?
I ain't seen no charge back in the car.
Give me that block. My golf cart charged up? Pablo! Hey, Pablo! Hey, Pablo! That's my Pablo Escobar. Hey, Pablo! I ain't been seeing my phones today.
Hello?
Hold on. Tell Miss Robin come take Pablo out. I want my dogs out, bro. Bro. Let me take them out, put them in the football field. I want to play with them. Dog looking sick. Why that water ain't been sucked out that pool yet? I be having to take care of business. My bad. I be forgetting I'm on fire. Where Felipe at? When Felipe coming? Well, didn't I tell y'all to get Felipe over here so he give me the price for the last part of the driveway? Oh, indeed. I gotta go in the Batman, man. Sorry, my phone off.
What business is, man, which is back on, man, just back on track, man, back on another video, man, a fresh new video, man. Just man, make sure before you watch this video, just make sure just give me some thumbs up, subscribe, man, turn the notification bell so when I drop, make sure you're straight every time. And man, let's get to it. You can't see you in this video. It's Boosie, man, Boosie made G's, man, cause of his construction work for not working when it's sunny day, because they seems like they don't take their job seriously the way he think. So he think like he just pay them for free, because when it's not sunny they don't work. So he just, man, go mad and goes off them, tell them, man, they must come to work no matter what, until he give them some free time or stuff like that. But they just take everything on their own. They don't want to work every time. When it's not sunny they don't work. So man, he just called one of them. He said he just can't come to it because it's not a sunny day. So man, he just, man, keep go walking around, man, do his thing, man, make sure everything is straight every time. So man, if you can see on this video, man, it's a lot happening on the. So you better make sure just give me some subscribe button, hit subscribe button, comment down section, turn the notification bell so you don't get missed out when every video drop. So man, it seems like it's a new chain, but we just keep going every day, keep pushing, and I keep give you some fresh updates every time. And make sure just stay tuned, and make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with your people, make sure you share with your friend, and all of that. And don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll catch another video. I'm out.